AI engineer versus machine learning engineer versus data scientist, which AI career should you choose? Introduction: Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry. And with it, new job titles are everywhere. AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, they sound similar. They all work with data and AI. But they are not the same roles. Many professionals jump into AI without understanding these differences, and later feel overwhelmed or confused. In this video, I'll clearly explain what each role actually does, daily responsibilities and mindset, skills and tools required, career growth paths, and which role fits your background and interest. Let's break it down step by step. The big picture difference: here's the simplest way to understand these roles. A data scientist explores data and builds models to find insights. A machine learning engineer turns models into scalable, production-ready systems. An AI engineer builds complete AI-powered products and applications. Think of it like building a smart car. Data scientist designs the brain, ML engineer makes the brain work reliably, AI engineer builds the full intelligent vehicle. Now let's look at each role in detail. 1. Data scientist. The data explorer. A data scientist works with data, statistics, and experimentation. Their responsibilities include collecting and cleaning large datasets, performing exploratory data analysis, building predictive and statistical models, testing hypotheses and experiments, communicating insights to stakeholders. They answer questions like, why are users leaving? What factors affect revenue? Can we predict future trends? Common tools and skills: Python or R, statistics and probabilities, SQL, machine learning libraries, data visualization tools. This role suits people who enjoy mathematics and statistics, like experimentation and research, want to discover insights from data. 2. Machine learning engineer. The model builder. A machine learning engineer focuses on building, optimizing, and deploying ML models. Their job is to make sure models work reliably at scale. Responsibilities include training and tuning machine learning models, building ML pipelines, deploying models to production, monitoring model performance, improving efficiency and accuracy. They think about performance, scalability, automation, reliability. Common tools and skills: Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, cloud platforms, data pipelines and APIs, MLOps tools. This role is ideal for people who enjoy coding and engineering, like turning theory into real systems, want to work close to production. 3. AI engineer. The product creator. An AI engineer builds end-to-end AI solutions. This role focuses on using AI to solve real business problems. Responsibilities include integrating ML models into applications, building AI-powered features, working with APIs, LLMs, and frameworks, ensuring AI solutions are scalable and secure, collaborating with product and business teams. They ask questions like, how do we use AI to improve this product? How can AI automate this process? How do we deliver AI features to users? Common tools and skills: Python and backend frameworks, cloud AI services, APIs and microservices, AI frameworks and LLM tools. This role suits people who want to build AI products, like application development, prefer practical implementation over research. 4. Skills and focus comparison. Data scientist. Data analysis, statistics, modeling, insights. ML engineer. Model training, deployment, pipelines, scalability. AI engineer. AI integration, applications, products, automation. All 3 roles work together, but their focus areas are different. 5. Career growth and salary direction. Typical career paths: data scientist, senior data scientist, analytics lead, ML engineer, senior ML engineer, ML ops or AI architect, AI engineer, senior AI engineer, AI product architect. In general, data scientists focus more on analysis and experimentation. ML engineers earn more with strong engineering skills. AI engineers grow fast due to high demand for AI products. 7. Which role should you choose? Choose data scientist if you love statistics and data exploration, enjoy research and analysis. Choose machine learning engineer if you enjoy coding and system building, want to deploy models at scale. Choose AI engineer if you want to build real AI products, enjoy application development. Don't follow hype. Follow the role that matches your skills and mindset. Conclusion: AI careers are powerful, but only when chosen correctly. Each role plays a critical part in building intelligent systems. Start where you are. Grow step by step. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which role you're targeting: data scientist, ML engineer, or AI engineer. See you in the next video.